summer is still in full effect in our house. Whoa! Don't get me wet. Shane, you're not even wet. Okay, make sure you don't get the... Shane, are you wet? Amy's getting herself wet. Yeah. Well, last night we finally got our chickens, and I'm going to show them to you. Here they are. Yep, the one that Shane is touching, that one's called Mickey. And now the one that Shane's touching now is called Strawberry. Guess who named him? Nope, Emery did. There's our chicken coop. And she gave us our first egg today. I'll show you later. Look how little it is.
It's so little. We laid the egg with the
I thought it was Strawberry.
Oh, Strawberry. Strawberry laid the first egg.
She did.
Come on.
Get on the horsey, Shane. Wow. Yep, get on Shane.
We're going to sleep and what's it called? And Seth's going to sleep in my room with me.
Who's gonna sleep in your room today? Shane is? Owzy! Nuts. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna get on Shane. I'm on Shane. I'm on Shane. Owzy! You want Daddy to get on?
Nah.
Alright, Daddy's gonna get on. Horsey, ride the horsey, woohoo! 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 Get on? Alright, getting on Shane. Ahoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!